Let me tell you something interesante. Hi everyone, the word of the day is interesante. Interesante. This is a Spanish adjective and it means interesting. Interesante works with feminine and masculine nouns. By the way, the plural form is interesantes. Interesantes. Now, let's see a few examples. Las noticias son interesantes. Las noticias son interesantes. Eres una persona interesante. Eres una persona interesante. Leí un libro nada interesante. Leí un libro nada interesante. Miguel me contó una historia muy interesante. Miguel me contó una historia muy interesante. ¡Qué interesante! ¡Qué interesante! Aprender nuevos idiomas es interesante. Aprender nuevos idiomas es interesante. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me more examples down below using interesante. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!